Thank you again for watching our videos here at National Gear Repair. As you can clearly see, this is one of our 50 horsepower Deer Tech motors. We're doing a complete rebuild, rewinding, revarnishing, new bearings and seals, repairing the end bell and so forth. Probably replace the fans and etc. Please stay tuned for a step-by-step tutorial and us showing how we test this to full capacity.
Thank you for visiting National Gear Repair. Here we have two 50 horsepower motors that we got in. We fully disassembled, replaced the bearings, rewired the stator, revarnished, and now we are testing, paint and test. So here we've been testing it for about 30 minutes now, and let's check the gauges on it. All right.
19.6. That's good.
Okay, we're good. Again, thank you for visiting National Gear Repair. We got these motors in, had them back in 3 days. Thank you very much.